Character.AI, the future of AI companions and virtual assistants. Imagine having AI-powered characters that chat, roleplay, and even develop unique personalities over time. Welcome to Character.AI, the next evolution in AI-driven conversations. Unlike ChatGPT, Claude 3, or Gemini 1.5, Character.AI lets users create and customize their own AI personalities, from historical figures to anime characters and even original digital friends. With advanced natural language processing and memory capabilities, these AI characters can hold deep conversations, remember past interactions, and even simulate emotions. Whether for entertainment, learning, or companionship, Character.AI is redefining digital interaction. But is AI companionship the future, or a step toward human disconnection? Some critics warn about over-reliance on AI relationships, while others see it as a breakthrough for mental health support, storytelling, and virtual customer service. With millions of users worldwide, Character.AI is blurring the line between fiction and reality. Will these AI personalities enhance our lives or replace human connections? Let's explore the potential, benefits, and risks of AI-driven companionship.